Introducing the MATCH HFA9T hydraulic flange alignment tool, designed to safely raise, lower, and precisely align misaligned flange joints. Remember, safety comes first. Therefore, before use, put on appropriate personal protective equipment: gloves, goggles, protective clothing. Here we can see the problem: the flanges are misaligned. Before starting work, make sure that the flange connection matches the parameters of the HFA9T. The flanges and pipes are not damaged, and there's a minimum of 93 millimeters clearance between the flanges. Then, check the tool and all its components to ensure they are in good working condition, including the hydraulic pump, which is used to actuate the tool, hoses, and all connections. Find the point of maximum misalignment between flanges and insert the tool's hook in the nearest bolt hole. Ensure the tool is attached to the lower of the two flanges. Extend the drop leg until it rests on the pipe. Secure it with the ratchet strap around the pipe, maintaining the tool level at all times. Extend the wing until the foot rests on the opposite flange and actuate the bolt screw by hand until you feel resistance. Connect a hydraulic pump with a pressure gauge to control the pressure. When everything is ready, slowly increase the pressure while always controlling the tool sits square and the hook is fully inserted in the bolt hole. Increase the pressure gradually until the flanges are aligned, but never exceeding the tool's safe working load of 9 tons at 700 bars. When working with flanges, different misalignments can occur. The most common is a centerline offset, also known as lateral misalignment. This can occur at any point around the circumference of the flange joint, not just up or down. If the misalignment is greatest at the 4 o'clock position, as seen in the example, the tool should be attached there. If this is not possible for any reason, move the tool 180 degrees around the flange joint to the 10 o'clock position, where the misalignment will be the same. Another type of misalignment is rotational bolt hole misalignment. To fix this, first attach the tool to one side and align it until one of the bolt holes is aligned. Then, the bolt can be inserted into it. Next, attach the tool to the flange at the point of greatest misalignment and align it until all the bolt holes are aligned. Back to our maintenance. After completing work, slide the bolts in to secure the position of the flanges, remembering to control the pressure when releasing it from the tool, and perform all steps in reverse order. Good job! Now you know how to use MATCH hydraulic flange alignment tool. Safety match tools are best tools.